Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at here guys, it's in pink color. Wow! Come on guys, the first one is home bird. I am rooster, cockaraco rooster. Wow! The next one, race animal. Yes, guys, this is my favorite animal, horse. Come on, guys, look at here. Yes, guys, this is race bike. Look at here, guys. It's in green color. Wow! Wadida! Come on, guys. The next one, dinosaur world evolution. This is pterodactyl. The next one, yes, this is sword, golden sword. Look at here, guys. This golden color is shining very well. Wow! It's look awesome.
स्वॉर्ड ये क्या है? अरे मॉम ये एक्शन गार्मेंट का नया एक्शन स्वॉर्ड है यही.
The next one, homeboard. Yes, this is back, duck. Wow, look at the color, guys. It's fantastic. The next one, yes, guys, this is dinosaur. Guess the name. Yes, this is diplodocus. Wow. Look at here, guys. Yes, this is hammer. Yes, guys, this is Thor hammer. Wow. The next one is dinosaurus. Guess the name, guys. Yes, this is a very big T-Rex. Wow. The next one. Any guess, guys? Yes, this is allosaurus. Wow, look at here, guys. The next one, yes, any guess, guys? You are right, guys. This is triceraptos. Look at here, guys. Wow. The next one, yes, guys, this is Kuda. Wow, it's very beautiful. A black mare named Burmese was gifted to Queen Elizabeth II in 1969 by the Royal Canadian Mount. The next one, yes, guys, this is I am a rooster. Wow. Wadida. The last one. Yes, this is a white color. Bebek duck. Okay, guys. that's it this video. Please subscribe this channel. Bye bye.